The BBP37 label printer comes with a built-in XY stylus cutter for cutting out shapes, text, or labels that are smaller than the tape installed. Cutting can be done on most 4-inch wide supplies. Objects like text or shapes are initially put onto your label in print mode. To change these so that they are cut out rather than printed, scroll through the More Options button until you get to the Print Cut selection and touch the Cut Text button. You'll notice your text goes from solid fill to a dashed outline, indicating that this will now be cut out rather than printed. You'll also see on this menu weeding options. These are optional cut boxes you can place around your text to help out with the removal of the waste around your text. When ready to cut out your text, press the Print button. On this screen, you'll notice a comment that indicates what setting your blade should be set to for proper cut depth for the material installed in the printer. To verify you are at the proper setting, open your printer cover and look at your cutting blade mechanism. If you need to change it, rotate the yellow knob completely until the proper number is covered up by the tab. When the proper setting is verified, close the printer cover and press Start Print.